Welcome to our deep dive into the world of Linux distros. Today, we explore Debian, Fedora, and Arch to help you choose the right one for 2025. Debian, founded in 1993, has stood the test of time. Renowned for its stability and massive repositories, it's perfect for servers and desktops alike. Fedora is known for its cutting-edge technologies and innovations. It's the go-to choice for those who want to experience the latest in Linux. Arch Linux offers a rolling release model and gives users complete control over their system. It's ideal for power users who love to customize. Each distro employs distinct package management systems. Debian uses apt, Fedora uses DNF, and Arch uses pacman. Let's see which one suits you. Debian provides stability, while Fedora leans towards providing the latest features. Arch? It's all about bleeding-edge software. Community support plays a vital role in your Linux journey. Let's look at the resources available for each of these distros. Whether you're a developer, a gamer, or a general user, there's a Linux distro that will best fit your needs in 2025. Let's break it down. As we look to the future, each distro is poised to evolve. What are the anticipated developments that may shape your choice? Choosing the right distro for your Linux journey in 2025 comes down to your needs and preferences. We hope this guide helps you make an informed choice.